American Standard Error Code 228 indicates a high-pressure lockout condition in your HVAC system, specifically in gas-fired boilers and modulating furnaces. This is a safety mechanism. When the system detects excessive pressure buildup, it shuts down to prevent damage like explosions or leaks. This lockout requires a manual reset after troubleshooting the underlying cause. Think of it as your system protecting itself from a potentially dangerous situation. Several factors can trigger Error 228 in American Standard HVAC systems. Common culprits include clogged vents, especially during winter when snow or ice can block exhaust pathways, preventing proper pressure release. A faulty gas valve can also cause high pressure buildup by not regulating gas flow properly, leading to excessive pressure in the system. In hybrid systems, overcharged refrigerant can increase internal pressure beyond safe limits, triggering the lockout mechanism. Altitude adjustments may be needed in higher elevations where atmospheric pressure differs, and if not properly set, can cause pressure imbalances. Less frequent causes include electrical surges that can damage control circuits, or sensor malfunctions that provide inaccurate pressure readings to the system. Remember, identifying the root cause is crucial before attempting a reset to ensure the problem is properly resolved and prevent future lockouts. Before attempting any reset, it's crucial to perform initial checks to identify the root cause of the high-pressure lockout. This systematic approach ensures safety and prevents further damage. First, turn off the unit completely. Locate the main power switch and flip it to off. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for any residual power to dissipate, ensuring your safety during the inspection process. Next, use a pressure gauge to verify the actual pressure reading. Attach the gauge to the system's pressure port and compare the reading to the manufacturer's specifications, which are typically between 0 and 10 psi for most boilers. Third, inspect all vents for blockages. Check intake and exhaust vents visually for ice, snow, leaves, or other debris. Clear any obstructions carefully with a soft brush to restore proper airflow. Fourth, ensure the gas valve is functioning correctly. Locate the gas valve and check for steady operation. Verify it's not stuck or damaged, and test for leaks using soapy water if you suspect any issues. Finally, if you suspect refrigerant issues based on your pressure readings, do not attempt any DIY fixes. Refrigerant handling requires specialized equipment and certification. Consult a professional HVAC technician immediately for safe resolution. Once these initial checks are complete, you can proceed to the next troubleshooting steps. Once you've identified and addressed the cause of the high-pressure lockout, you can proceed with resetting the system to restore normal operation. Before starting the reset, ensure your safety by powering off the unit at the main breaker and wearing appropriate protective gear. First, locate the control board. This is usually found behind an access panel on your American Standard unit. Look for a green circuit board with various electronic components, wires, and connectors. Next, find the reset button on the control board. It may be labeled Reset or be a touch-sensitive pad. Press and hold it firmly for several seconds, typically 5 to 10 seconds, until you notice the status lights or display change. After releasing the reset button, the system should automatically restart. Watch for the unit to power back on, indicated by lights turning on and the startup sequence beginning. You may hear fans or pumps activating as normal operation resumes. Finally, check that the error has been cleared. Look at the control panel display for any remaining error codes. If error 228 appears again, it means the root cause hasn't been properly addressed and further investigation is required. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the high-pressure lockout, the issue may lie with the pressure switch itself. It could be faulty or miscalibrated, requiring more advanced solutions. Calibration involves checking the pressure readings with a gauge and making precise adjustments to the switch mechanism. This ensures it trips at the correct threshold, around 10 psi for boilers, preventing false lockouts. If calibration doesn't resolve the problem, replacement of the pressure switch is the next step. Pressure switches cost between $50 and $150 and are available from authorized dealers. During replacement, handle the switch carefully to avoid damaging internal components like the micro switch or springs. Always ensure proper connections to prevent electrical hazards or gas leaks. Modern American Standard HVAC units, especially those released after 2025, come equipped with advanced smart diagnostics and Internet of Things connectivity. These features allow the system to communicate and monitor itself in real time. Through connected mobile apps, homeowners and technicians can remotely monitor the system's status, receive notifications, and even perform diagnostics without being physically present at the unit. The Internet of Things connectivity creates a network where the thermostat, controllers, air handlers, and outdoor units all communicate wirelessly, sharing sensor data and operational status. Predictive maintenance systems, such as Train's IntelliSense, employ artificial intelligence algorithms to continuously analyze sensor data. This allows the system to identify patterns that indicate potential problems, flagging issues before they escalate into a high-pressure lockout. By monitoring sensor feedback and control parameters, these smart systems enable predictive maintenance that significantly reduces system downtime and repair costs. Studies show AI-driven diagnostics can lower annual repair expenses by up to 25%. Preventative maintenance is crucial for avoiding Error 228 and ensuring your HVAC system runs reliably. By implementing these measures, you can prevent high-pressure lockouts and extend the life of your equipment. Start with regular vent inspection and cleaning. Clogged vents are a leading cause of high-pressure lockouts as they restrict airflow and cause pressure to build up in the system. Pay special attention before and during winter, when ice or debris can block exhaust vents. Regular cleaning, ideally monthly in cold climates, can prevent this issue and reduce lockouts by up to 50%. Schedule annual professional HVAC checkups to ensure optimal system performance. Certified technicians can inspect pressure switches, calibrate sensors, and identify potential issues before they cause lockouts. This proactive approach catches problems early, reducing repair costs and minimizing downtime. According to industry data, regular maintenance can cut failure rates and improve overall system reliability. Consider upgrading to a smart HVAC system with predictive maintenance capabilities. These IoT-enabled systems provide real-time monitoring and send alerts through connected apps, allowing for remote troubleshooting and early intervention. Predictive algorithms can identify issues before they trigger lockouts, significantly reducing downtime and repair needs. As of 2026, smart systems are becoming standard, with potential to make error codes like 228 obsolete through autonomous fixes. In conclusion, implementing these preventative measures is the best way to avoid Error 228 and maintain a reliable HVAC system. Regular vent cleaning, annual professional maintenance, and smart technology upgrades create a comprehensive defense against high-pressure lockouts. By staying proactive, you'll save on repair costs, reduce downtime, and ensure your system performs optimally for years to come.